Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
The brother and sister went to the lake with their dog and doll. They saw duck and dolphin in the lake. Deer was enjoying the tree leaves near the pond. The children laughed and clapped. Nature brings joy. Dear kids, we are looking at a letter D and its sound D, 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 duck, D, D, dolphin, D, D, deer, D, D, dog, D, D, drum, D, D, doll. Dear kids, what is the color of dolphin? Are dolphins big or small? See you in the next lesson.